Hey guys, it's Riri and welcome back to my channel.
You're so obsessed with yourself. Maybe you should undress with yourself. Hey, I get a take off for two.
Hey guys, I am finally back. Yes, I keep saying that in every video, oh my god, but I'm so sorry for the lack of posts. I was just been feeling so demotivated, so just not in the mood to film, but I don't want to make this intro too long. As you guys can tell by the title, yes, this is like a review slash a makeup look on this beautiful makeup. And if you guys want to know what look that I've just, you know, felt like doing something really glowy, something really summery. It's really summer right now, so we all just want to look bronzy and beautiful. So that was kind of like my ideal thing. Sorry if the camera or the video looks kind of weird. I kind of broke my camera like 2 months ago. I'm getting my lens fixed. Actually, the lens broke, so I'm filming on my vlogging camera. That's why the setup is just a bit weird. Maybe I'm not used to it, but maybe you guys see I'm just a bit more higher. Usually I'm at this, like, you know, height, but you guys know the drill. It's fine, it happens. And as usual, please don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. They're just going to be down in the box below and somewhere around the screen over here, and it's going to be at the end of the video. So if you guys want to chat with me, reach out to me, make sure to do that. Anyway, I don't want to blabber anymore. If you guys want to know what I think of the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera as usual. I always do them off camera, and I just did a little bit of concealing, just a little bit. So I'm trying something out today. I usually set with the concealer to do my eyelids, but I basically have nothing. So I went ahead and bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and this is just one color. And basically this product is basically vegan, non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested, long wearing, ophthalmologist tested, you guys know all of that. Basically I wanted to try this out for the first time just because I usually always use my concealer just to add like an eye base, because I want to see what's the difference between like adding a colored eye primer and a concealer just for your eyes and your shadows to pop. So I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and this eye primer claims to create the perfect canvas for matte and shimmer shadows and pressed pigments. So we're gonna try this because we're doing something really fun. So as they say on the packaging, we get in this primer 15 ml, which is 0.15 fluid ounces, and it comes in this really pretty package. It has water resistant eye primer and a light colored base that creates the perfect canvas. And it says here in this really tiny writing here, apply using your fingertips or a small concealer brush, where I'm going to use a concealer brush, but I just want to see. Now, I have heard that the best eye primer on the market is the P. Louise base, and it's known, but I have not tried that personally, so maybe you could do that in another video. So I'm excited, and let's open this one up. It's like, it's really pretty. It just comes in a pretty tube and definitely cruelty free. So let's go ahead and apply this and see how it sets. So to apply this product, it's set to go with your fingertips or brush, but I prefer a brush, so I'm going in with two flat brushes. They're the same ones. One just more bigger that I use for my eyelids, one is more smaller. So I'm just gonna take it on a small mixing plate, and I'm really scared. It's pretty white, so let's see. So I'm doing patting motions, and I'm just trying to see what I get. Now I did pick up a little bit on my brush, and to be honest, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just adding this all over my eyelids. Oh my god, this is like pretty white. I'm gonna take my concealer brush, which is the angled brush, and I'm just going to go on and just do a simple line of where I line my brows, just to kind of set the base. So I'm just gonna pat. So pat, and I'm just going to kind of see where this base. I'm just gonna take a little bit more actually. So it's pretty drying, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna zoom in to show you guys, like, it's pretty drying. So I'm just just going to add here, especially on my inner corners. I usually add more concealer because I always tear up here. I don't know why every time I do looks. So as you can see, definitely one eye is brighter than the other just because I usually always do normal concealer. So I'm gonna just do this eye off camera with the patting motion and I'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and primed, and I'm just gonna zoom in to show you guys like how pretty the eyes look like. Now it's kind of weird, I did go back in with my finger. I went ahead and primed, went ahead and did my eyes off camera just to show you guys how the primer has set. Now it's a bit tacky, but I don't know if it's gonna perform well, so I'm just going to now add the eyeshadows and we're going to start on with the look. So I'm going in with my James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking this yellow color which is called B, and I'm going to just add it all over my lids and my crease just to see how well do these white how do these like colored shadows work on white. So here we go. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've added the yellow. I'm still blending, but I'm having just a little bit of problem with the blending right here. Apparently the eye primer is very tacky. I mean, because I'm so used to my concealer that when I directly set it, it's just like butter on my eyelids. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm taking the yellow shade right here, and I'm just going to add that under the light color to really balance out the yellow. So yeah. Alrighty, so after blending in the color B and the yellow kind of mixed with the Huda Beauty palette, I'm gonna go in with the color from the James Charles palette, which is this color. It's called 518. It's a little bit orangey. I don't want to go too orange, but I'm just gonna add that a little bit under the crease just to like add a little bit of blending. Honestly, for this eyeshadow base to make the colors pop, that I give a 10 out of 10. Blending, kind of like 5, 6, 7 out of 10. Kind of like actually 6 to 7, between 6 to 7 out of 10, just because it takes a lot of like practice and work to really know how to press in the base. So I'm gonna go in with the color, and yeah. Alrighty, you guys, so that is the eyeshadows beautifully blended together. I just added a little bit of a shimmer eyeshadow on the lids just to leave it that way, and now I'm gonna be taking some water activated paints. These are all from Kryolan. I'm taking these kind of like blue colors to really get that perfect teal shade like this, but a little bit darker. So I'm just gonna mix it on my palette and see what I get to create a nice liquid liner. Alright, so after mixing these colors, I got this really pretty light blue kind of like mint, not mint color, but you guys know what I mean. So I'm gonna draw a nice beautiful liner with this water activated paint, and then we are gonna beautifully set it. I hopefully have a color eyeshadow mix, but we'll see. So as you guys can see, the eyeliner is done. I'm loving this combo of everything, and I did my mascara off camera. So I don't feel like wearing like a lot of lashes, so what I'm actually gonna do, I'm feeling a bit bold today. I'm gonna be taking some individual lashes. These are the Huda Beauty in the style Alyssa #2, and these are the Sephora also individual lashes, and I'm just gonna cut them and just add a few pieces on the outer corner to really do that cat eye effect, because I've been growing out my lashes and I'm loving the length of my lashes. So I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so this is how my eyes look like with individuals. I did something really simple. I don't want to go too overboard with the individuals, but anyway, now we are going to just start by priming my face so we can get a head start with my base. So I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter primer. This is the first one that she came out with, which is the soft matte. Just 2 pumps of that, and I'm just going to I'm just going to take a little bit of this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in this color Liquid Euphoric Gold, and I'm just gonna add a little bit over my skin just to like add that tiny glow, because I really want the base to be the center of attention. I'm taking it on a JS3 with Jeffree Star X Morphe. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. You guys, look, I'm like almost out of it. Literally my foundation is literally till here, but this is in the shade 350. I'm just gonna add a little bit. I don't want to go too overboard since I want this look to be really like, I want the base to be really natural, so I'm just gonna take a few pumps of that. You guys know the drill. I always go in with my Too Faced concealer. Now it looks like this because my cat broke it and it's in pieces, like literally this whole thing comes off. But anyway, I'm in the color Sand, and I'm just gonna take my concealer on the nose, Cupid's little chin, and just the sides. I've been seeing this trend go on a lot. Less is more with concealing, so yeah. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Fenty contour stick. This is in the shade Truffle. And how I like to apply this, I just like to add a big dollop on the back of my hand just to like warm up the product. Apparently that's how Rihanna does it. And I'm just going to be taking my Real Techniques Expert face brush. This is just a normal face brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start by laying down that contour brush. I like to do it this way, not that way, this way first, and kind of just lay that down and then go a little bit deeper into my hollows and then just target the under chin. So and powder my face with a Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to be taking my Sephora face powder that you guys always see me use just for extra coverage. I just want to like, don't want to go too much, just like around the areas where I think I'm gonna get oily, so yeah. Next for bronzer, you guys can just literally leave it like that, but I would obviously love to bronze even more, so I'm just gonna be taking my Kiko bronzer that you guys see me use all the time with a Jeffree Star JS2 brush, and I'm just going to so I would just want to do a little bit more contouring because I really want the skin to pop. So I'm taking my Kat Von D, as you guys can tell, Shade and Light palette, and I'm just going to be taking these two colors. This color is currently called Shadow Play, and the yellow banana powder, which is called Lyric, and I'm just going to add these just to like accentuate it. Next, I'm going in with blush. Now, it's totally up to you guys to, you know, leave your blush like that. But for me, I'm just like, I love blush. So I'm going in with the NARS Outlaw blush. This is a really nice peachy pink color, as you guys can tell and see. I'm just blending out any harsh lines. And I'm taking it on a Real Techniques contour brush, actually. And I love to use this for blush because it applies beautifully, so. So before I do my highlight, I'm just gonna do my bottom eyes off camera. I'm gonna be taking the same yellow eyeshadows that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna do my bottom under eye, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so as you guys can tell, I did everything off camera, my under eyes and everything. Last but not least, from the complexion, I'm gonna be taking my MAC highlighter. You guys saw me review this highlighter and I'm in love with it. This is the Hot Damn Ozel d'Avignon, oh my god, my French, Extra Dimension Skin Finish, and it is this beautiful, lovely champagne highlight, and I'm taking it on a JS4 highlighting brush, I think, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my skin. Alrighty, so we're almost done. We are done to highlight, you guys. Look at this freaking glow. Anyway, so for the lips, you guys can actually do whatever you guys want, and this is a beautiful pop of color. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be taking my MAC Spice Lip Liner and a Flormore liquid lipstick in the color, there's no color on this, it's called 03 Skin, and I'm going to mix these both. You guys, and this concludes this review slash makeup tutorial that I decided to do. So overall, honestly, my overall opinion about this product, I would honestly give it like a 6.5, 7 out of 10, just because first of all it really helped my yellow eyeshadow pop. I've never seen it pop this much in my life. Well, the only thing that was great about it, the pros about it, is that it's white, so you can really work towards, you know, having a pop of color. It's not that liquidy kind of form, it's that very like tacky kind of, you know, sticky base, which is great because you all love a sticky base and not a runny liquid, and that it's vegan and cruelty free. I love that about the product. You guys can tell, but I added some gloss. But anyway, if you guys are wondering, it's the Diamond Balm by Ariana, the white one, the creamy icy one. I don't remember the name, but it's somewhere here. The cons about this, very hard to blend. I don't know if I would buy this again. I would really want to know how the P. Louise base would feel like, because honestly, like, this product was amazing, but I've heard lots and great reviews about this and the P. Louise, so I kind of need to see side by side. But honestly, if I would just honestly go back to using my normal concealer for my base and for my shadows and for everything. So if I want to use that has a pop of color, or I just want a little bit of and to cut the crease, definitely I would use this. But when it comes to, you know, working on under shadows, I would definitely use my concealer, because sometimes when I cut my crease, I would love to have a lighter base, which is this. So this is definitely going to come in handy. Yeah, that's overall my review, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. You guys, you know, I love a dewy, glowy, beautiful, bronzy, amazing skin. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, thumbs up, and comment below and letting me know what do you guys think of this review, and if you guys have ever tried this primer, or do you think I should give the P. Louise primer a try. So yeah, and if you guys have any requests, make sure to put them down in the comments below, or make sure to follow me on Instagram, and, you know, DM me out on Twitter, DM me, chat with me, you guys. I'm like chilling over here. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye bye.